Joe's already been here today. What do we got? DSD Decoys. That's Dave Smith. If you know anything about decoys, you've heard of Dave Smith. Let's check it out. Oh man, you won't believe what we got here. We just got to set this thing out. Maybe there's a little bit more room outside here. Let's drag it out and set this puppy out. Is this awesome or what? The Dave Smith posturing buck. There you have it. This is the most realistic whitetail decoy I've ever seen, and I just love the aggressive pose. This bad boy is going to get the action done. That's all I got for this week. Keep those comments coming. I'm Gordy Krahn. See you next time inside the box.